How to watch F1 on Apple TV for 2025. I'm going to tell you how to watch F1 on Apple TV. The easiest way is to download the official F1 TV app directly from the App Store to your Apple TV. Once installed, sign in with your F1 TV Pro or Premium subscription to stream every race live, including onboard cameras, team radios, and post-race analysis. The app supports 4K Ultra HD or HDR features like multi-view, allowing you to customize your viewing experience. If F1 TV isn't available in your region, you can use other apps like ESPN, TSN, or Sky Sports, depending on your country. These apps are also available on Apple TV and require a subscription or cable login. Alternatively, you can use AirPlay to stream from your iPhone or iPad to your Apple TV. Some viewers also use VPNs to access F1 TV in regions where it's not officially available. So whether through the official F1 TV app or other streaming services, Apple TV offers multiple ways to enjoy the full F1 experience.